Customers looking to have to get a bid to replace their backyard patio and to reset their front walkway. So I cannot do a draw. I'm not going to do a drawing of this because it's going back in the same footprint. I've taken the measurements and done the calculations. It's 580 square feet. 580 square feet. It is irregular Fond du Lac, and we are going to reuse the stone that he has there. I would say it's probably 90% reusable. I mean, it's actually in really nice shape. I don't see hardly any broken stones, but what's underneath it is dirt. He said this is probably a DIY project at one point. It comes along here, and it goes over in front of the deck steps here. So just kind of give you an idea. So like I said, it's 580 square feet, and it's irregular Fond du Lac. Yeah, let's say 90% reusable. So the stuff that we'll have to supplement, obviously we want to put in throughout the whole of the patio, so so that way it's not all in one place. So over in front of the steps, the deck steps over here, he's got some pieces of Chilton. We're not going to reuse that. So there's a few pieces of Chilton in here. Yank those out, don't put those back in. So all right, so this is down by the lake right over here. This is Wayzata Bay. So it's very boggy here. As I'm walking, I'm kind of sinking in. So this is an all manual job. Wheelbarrows. I'll walk around front so you can see what type of walk it is. It's not crazy, but it's not near by any means. So, oh yeah, the fire pit right here. He wants it raised a little higher. If it can be a foot out of the ground, then we would. We'll replace, actually let's go with 8 to 10 inches, because we can find 8 to 10 inch boulders pretty easily to put next to the fire ring. If this fire ring isn't tall enough that he currently has, it's not able to be raised up that high, then he understands that he'll have to pay for the new one. Either way, this fire ring needs to come out, so we don't need to really charge much for it. We're basically just going to put it back where it is after our crushed rock has been put in. So I told him that if we did this patio project, then we would also sweep in some trap rock over in a little walkway that he did over here at no extra cost. Just a little walkway, little granite dust just in this little thing right here. We're not leveling this, we're just sweeping it in. Okay, so I'll walk around here in the front. In the front yard he has a walkway that's also made out of irregular Fond du Lac. It's 100 square feet, and he wants that re-leveled. You'll see when I get out there how it's sunk. Let's see if he's around the corner. So from the area over there down to here, this stone is pretty well reusable. If we, once again, 90% is perfectly acceptable. Here's his driveway. He's got a relatively wide driveway, a nice place to drop off a dumpster here. But this is the point of entryway to get to the backyard with wheelbarrows.